In this video, we'll discuss types of software. A computer consists of software and hardware. Software is intangible and hardware is tangible. Software is an organized instruction or code written by programmers using any language. There are three types of softwares: application software, system software, and utility software. Application software, it handles specialized and common tasks. Examples are banking and hotel management, data processing, word processing. System software controls basic function of a computer, and utility software manage and maintain, control computer resources. Examples: antivirus softwares. System software example: operating system, compiler and interpreter. An operating system is a system software that controls and manages all computer resources. For that only it is called as resource manager, and it works as an interface between hardware and user. Some examples are Microsoft Windows, Solaris, Linux, Mac operating system. How operating system works. In any computer mobile device, the operating system works as a backbone. It works as a middleman or interface between machine and user. It manages the hardware resources and it provides stable and consistent way for applications to deal with. Processor management. Operating system loads, schedules and executes processor programs. Memory management. It allocates and deallocates memory for program execution. Device management. All I/O devices are controlled by operating system. It manages and controls the storage devices to provide space to program for execution and for data saving. Application interface. The API or drivers provide a way for application to make use of hardware. User interface. The structure of interaction between a user and computer is done by operating system. Process management, memory management, device management, storage management, application interface and user interface. These are all the functions of operating system. What are the types of operating system? Single user, single task operating system. Single task and single user at a time. Disk operating system or DOS is the example of single user, single task operating system. Single user multitasking operating system, best example Windows 95, and more than one task can be done. Multi-user operating system, Linux, Unix, Windows 7, multiple users are allowed to access some on same data or information at a time. Multiprocessing, a single process runs on two or more processor. This is also called parallel processing. The operating system is embedded in a device located on random read-only memory. Operating system of microwave and washing machine are examples of embedded operating system. Distributed operating system, computer work in cooperation with several operating systems. There are three types of language processors. Language processors actually converts human understandable language to computer understandable language. Computer understand only zeros and ones. Compilers convert the whole program to low-level language all at once. Interpreter converts line by line Assembler converts assembly language to machine language. There are two types of assemblers, one plus assembler and multipass assembler. One pass assembler go through the source code only once. Multipass assembler create a table with all symbols and their values in first passes and then use the table in later passes. What is a compiler and interpreter? Compiler scans the whole program in one go. Interpreter translates one statement at a time. The errors are shown at the end together. Errors are shown line by line. Main advantage of compiler is its execution time. It is less, and in case of interpreter it is more. There are two types of application software: general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. General purpose example word processor, spreadsheet and DBMS. Special purpose payroll is carrying out certain specific tasks called utility software. Antivirus and compression tool. Antivirus scans for virus, and compression tools are utilities that assist operating system in sorting files. The file's length will be less. It will take less space by using compression tools. Utility software: disk cleanup, disk defragmenter, backup, file management tools and restore. These are all utility software. Disk cleanup, freeing disk space. Disk defragmenter increases the file access, assist user in freeing of disk space. Disk defragmenter is a disk management utility that increases file access speeds by rearranging fragmented files on continuous locations. Backup utility, backing up all files and folders. Utility software providing regular file management like browsing, searching, updating, previewing are all file management tools. Restore, this utility restores the backup earlier taken. All the backups are restored. Thank you for watching.